Good morning, everybody. We've had some rain here. My driveway. Looks like about 2 and almost 8/10. Anyways, we're gonna have a little bit of a slow day here. So yesterday we had gotten our bucket truck bed that we bought at the auction loaded, but we hadn't gotten it home yet, so it'll be the next video. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys this old truck that I bought. It's been like 3 weeks or 4 weeks since I bought it, and I told everybody the day I bought it, so on a live stream, so that I was gonna make a video, and then I never did. So we'll go over here and get it checked out. Cracking that window over there. She's got, sorry I pan so fast. Got some pretty good dings right there. I've gotten used to every video being edited, so I don't have to be such good at filming. But I'm just gonna put this one up raw for you guys. Let's go see if we can get a rear view. I guess I said it was a 48. I must have been wrong. That ground, man. Like neutral. Let's try this one. Is that seat wet? Seat's not. Yeah, seat's kind of wet. Gas pedal. I wonder what this button does. To run both of them buttons at the same time. It rained last night, so she may be a fair weather kind of girl. Without the choke on, but that's probably long enough for you guys to get the gist of the old thing. It's not rusty, but it's got a lot of dents. But I thought about having Cody see if he couldn't knock some of these big fender dents out a little bit. I have a I guess we call it a pogo stick, but that might do a little bit as far as getting those fenders pulled back out. There's an old repair on the door. Anyways, guys, let's walk over here real quick and I'll show you Ed's camper, because it was another big item we got from that auction. Man, it is muddy out here today. I'm glad it didn't get wet in here. I forgot about all that stuff even being there. That looks like it got rained on. Hopefully it didn't get rained in. Nope, only got rained on. It is muddy out here today. Hey, you got it clean enough inside that house to show it on camera? Show the outside of it. Is it leaking or what? Well, you can't expect 3 inches of rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing, we got it for 75 bucks. I guess we need to put a tarp over the roof like we did the rest of them, but I don't think it's ever had anything done to the roof either, so. Inside this thing, it is like it's brand new in there. So it's leaking up there in this room, or what, Ed? The back? Well, how does that keep you awake if your bed's up there?
I had to get up. I stayed up just
Put buckets or what?
yeah, I'll let you pick this side up. Yes, mostly towards the back.
We'll go in there and look, alright, if you want. My stepdad's staying in here while we are, so it's leaking back here.
Yeah.
I like your temporary fix there. Yeah, we'll find one of those tarps later on and we'll just put it up there and put some tires and screw it down or whatever. We're gonna have a rain day today anyway, so we work on that. Hey, anyways, guys, video is 7 minutes long now, so that should do for you guys a little bit of a update. I could give you guys a little peek of the concrete where we hadn't stripped the forms yet. Just this one first wall on this building is all we've had time to do. We're kind of back and forth. Anyways, there's the footer that'll be buried underground, and then we'll pour it up a little bit. It's starting to rain again. We'll pour another 6 inch or so, whatever we can, up to level with the concrete floor in that room, and then we'll put a new footboard down, and then we'll cut off all these and sister onto them and tie them back down and start redoing it as best we can. Anyways, all right, say goodbye, Ed.
Bye.